Title: DJI Air for game changer or just hype? Release date, specs, and latest leaks. The DJI Air series has always stood out in the drone world for blending high-end features with a compact, travel-friendly design. Now, with talk heating up about the upcoming DJI Air 4, drone fans are wondering, is this the next must-have drone, or just an incremental refresh? Let's break down the latest rumors, leaked details, and what we might be getting in DJI's next mid-tier marvel. Leaks are nothing new when it comes to tech, especially in the drone community. Early glimpses often come from insiders, beta testers, or even accidental product listings. Trusted names like Jasper Ellens and Quadrant News have dropped hints that give us a sneak peek at what DJI could be planning. While none of it is confirmed until DJI makes it official, these sources have a track record of getting it right. From what's surfaced, DJI appears to be sticking with the Air series trademark compact, foldable design, but with some refinement. The Air 4 might sport a sleeker, more aerodynamic frame, which could help with flight efficiency and stability, especially in windy conditions. Rumors also suggest stronger, more robust arms, possibly making it tougher in harsher environments. The trade-off: a slight bump in weight, though DJI typically keeps things light for portability. There's also speculation that the Air 4 may borrow some styling, and maybe even performance cues from the Mavic line. This could mean a more premium, professional look and possibly features that push it closer to flagship-level capabilities. The biggest potential leap: the camera system. The Air 3 already impressed with a dual-camera setup, but the Air 4 could take it further. Leaks point to both lenses, wide-angle and telephoto, possibly getting upgraded to 1-inch sensors. That would mean serious improvements in low-light performance, dynamic range, and overall image quality. On top of that, DJI might include a variable aperture for better control over exposure and depth of field, a real bonus for cinematic shots. A mechanical shutter is also rumored, which would cut down on rolling shutter issues when capturing fast motion. These features could make the Air 4 a serious tool for aerial content creators. All these upgrades won't come cheap. The Air 3 launched at $999, but if these camera and performance improvements are legit, the Air 4 could land closer to $1,200. That would place it near Mavic territory, raising the question, will users pay more for an upgraded Air, or just go straight for a Mavic? Camera aside, we're also expecting smarter flying tech. The Air 4 could move away from multiple wide-angle sensors to a more advanced LED-based obstacle detection system. That would be a big win for navigating in low-light or complex environments. On top of that, DJI's AI-assisted features like Active AirTrack and Return to Home are likely to be even more intelligent and precise. Better subject tracking and safer autonomous flight are major benefits, whether you're a pro pilot or a beginner. Improved signal strength and range are also likely. DJI's flight transmission systems get better with every release, and the Air 4 could offer a more stable connection over longer distances, giving pilots peace of mind during extended flights. That brings us to battery life. The Air 3 already boasted around 46 minutes, but some sources hint the Air 4 could stretch that to 50 minutes or more. That would be a major plus for aerial photographers who need long flight sessions without frequent battery swaps. Of course, bigger batteries could mean added weight, another design factor DJI will have to balance carefully. All in all, the DJI Air 4 looks like it could be a solid step forward, especially for creators who want pro-level features without jumping into the Mavic price range. But until DJI officially drops the specs, we're in the realm of educated guesses. Are you excited about the Air 4? Would you upgrade from the Air 3? Or wait for something even bigger? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more drone updates and reviews.